In a 3.5-ounce serving, quinoa includes all of the essential amino acids, a good proportion of omega-6 fatty acids, and 10% of the daily value for folate. With 3.5 ounces of front meat containing 28 grams of protein and 4 calories per serving, chicken is rich in 12 healthy dinner options for 2 people must know. Even if you're sharing a meal with another person, such as a partner, child, friend, or parent, it's typical to feel rushed at dinner time and pick quick options like fast food or frozen meals. If you want to change up your routine, there are plenty of delicious, small batch dinners that take very little time to prepare and are healthful. Home-cooked meals, are connected with better diet quality, and family meals lead to healthier diets and less weight gain in children and adolescents. Here are 12 healthy and delicious meal options for 2. 1. Chicken quinoa bowl. This quinoa meal is packed with protein. In a 3.5-ounce serving, quinoa includes all of the essential amino acids, a good proportion of omega-6 fatty acids, and 10% of the daily value for folate. With 3.5 ounces of front meat containing 28 grams of protein and 4 calories per serving, chicken is rich in protein and low in cholesterol. 2. Rice with sesame and tofu. This fried rice dish's healthy secret is that it's baked. Furthermore, tofu has been related to a variety of health benefits, including enhanced fat metabolism, cardiovascular health, and blood sugar control. This recipe is vegetarian, but you may substitute chicken or shrimp for the tofu if you wish. It serves 2 people and takes around an hour to prepare. 3. Mango and avocado fish tacos. These simple fish tacos include not only tropical colors and aromas but also heart-healthy fats like omega-9 fats like oleic acid. Oleic acid has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. According to research, it is also required for optimal brain growth and function. 4. Chicken with sweet potatoes and broccoli. You'll receive a well-balanced dinner with this sweet potato and broccoli chicken, which includes starchy carbs, lean protein, vegetables, and healthy fats. Sweet potatoes, onions, broccoli, and cranberries provide antioxidants such as vitamin C, anthocyanins, and flavonoids. Antioxidants are molecules that assist your body to protect itself from free radicals. They have been linked to a variety of health benefits, including anti-cancer characteristics and enhanced heart health. 5. Roasted vegetables and lentils in a bowl. This vegetarian dish is loaded with vegetables and plant-based protein. It also contains iron, which distributes oxygen throughout your body and is sometimes low in vegetarian diets. The meal feeds 2 people and takes 40 minutes to prepare. 6. Wraps with chickpeas and tuna. The tuna and chickpeas provide plenty of protein in this dish. Furthermore, the vegetables deliver a decent amount of fiber, keeping you feeling full for hours. The meal feeds 2 people and is simple to prepare. 7. Salmon and spinach spaghetti. This delightful salmon spinach spaghetti is a well-balanced dish high in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids have been demonstrated to counteract inflammatory diseases and heart disease. 8. Quinoa with shrimp and avocado. This shrimp and avocado quinoa bowl is high in protein and high in monounsaturated fatty acids. MUFAs enhance healthy blood fat levels and aid in the availability of fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. This dish is simple to change. You can omit the shrimp or substitute your favorite protein sources, such as chicken, eggs, or beef. The meal feeds 2 people and takes less than 20 minutes to prepare. 9. Zoodles, with peanut chicken. Zoodles are zucchini noodles that are a great low-carb, gluten-free alternative to conventional spaghetti. The recipe contains a lot of protein and good fats from peanut butter, which may help prevent heart disease by lowering LDL and total cholesterol. It's simple to make and serves 2. 10. Fajitas de carne. These beef fajitas are filling and simple to prepare. The onions and bell peppers complement the lemon and chili well. You can make a low-carb version by substituting lettuce leaves for corn tortillas. 11. Spinach and mushroom frittata. This spinach mushroom frittata is a low-carb supper that can be served for breakfast or lunch. The eggs and spinach give 26% of the daily value of vitamin A per serving. This vitamin is vital for eye health because it keeps your eyes' light-sensing cells healthy and prevents night blindness. 12. Chicken and cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice is an excellent low-carb alternative to rice. You may buy it pre-packaged or make it yourself by cutting cauliflower florets until they have the consistency of rice. This meal contains a lot of vegetables and a lot of high-quality protein. A high vegetable intake may help you please your nutrient needs while also lowering your risk of heart disease. I hope the above knowledge will be of some help to you, your friends and family. Wishing you and your family good health with loved ones and friends. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this video useful, please like and share to help more people know. Any questions, please leave a comment below the video. Please click subscribe and press the notification bell to support me. Lolo.